Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen. First of all, thank you so much from bottom of my heart to everybody who clicked the red subscribe button and the bell next to it. It's time for a delicious summer salad now. Do you like watermelon? Let's check out this juicy watermelon and cucumber salad. Let's see the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. 1 bowl of fresh watermelon cut into pieces, 1 bowl of cucumber cut into pieces, sliced onions, lemon, salt, pepper powder, chopped mint leaves and feta cheese. First I am going to make the dressing. For that you need lemon juice, salt and pepper. Just mix everything. Make sure you mixed it well. Now take a nice big bowl, add all the pieces, cucumber, watermelon, onion, cheese, mint leaves, and finally add the dressing. Gently mix everything. Be sure to dress the salad right before serving it to prevent watery. So here it is, lovely and refreshing salad of watermelon, cucumber and feta cheese. So this summer, do try this gorgeous summer salad. Thanks for watching friends. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new updates.